Welcome to DiscoverTech. Get ready to witness bulldozer operators doing the impossible. You won't believe your eyes. These skills are truly mind-blowing. Accidents at ports may be rare, but they leave no room for error. The boom caser crane collapse is proof. Just one miscalculation in weight or structure, and you're staring down disaster. There goes a piece of history. The Moskvich wasn't just metal, it was memories. Seeing it flattened by a bulldozer feels like closing a long chapter. Bittersweet but final.
Это от москвича отвалилось. Заводить надо было и кататься.
Out on the Time Peninsula, nature doesn't play nice. When the weather turns brutal, machines freeze and work halts, except for one lone village dozer, crawling forward to carve lifelines through the storm. This isn't just tough, it's survival. Forget the motorbike festival. This tank festival is way more fun. Witness a century of history reduced to dust as a 105-year-old cotton mill falls. This demolition isn't mere destruction. It's a cinematic farewell to the industrial age, where explosions and echoes of the past collide in one final, unforgettable act. Anyone who's spent time on a farm or a job site knows the feeling. The K71 is a powerhouse, no doubt, but soft ground, that'll bring even the toughest rigs to a crawl. It looked like just another day on the job site until the rocks started to move. The EC480 and B7540 had to prove their worth fast. Makes you think, no matter how well you plan, the ground has its own ideas. This incident underscores the critical importance of having a ground spotter. It was entirely avoidable with proper oversight. Watch as it performs efficient, controlled earth moving with minimal noise and maximum precision, proving once again why it's a trusted workhorse in the industry. If you liked the video, comment 1. If you thought it was boring, comment 0. If you're operating a loader or excavator, the Rotar Cleaner is a highly versatile attachment. It handles grading, washing, mixing, and separating various materials, streamlining tasks and improving efficiency with a single tool.
Зачем? Смотрите лопату сейчас. Ёб твою мать, Ванюша, пиздец.
They were loading the dozer onto the truck, and at first it looked fine, but in a blink, everything went sideways.
Прямо, Ваня, прямо так. Блядь.
This footage offers a clear look at rural road construction, an essential process that reshapes the land and links remote areas. The operator's familiarity with the terrain is evident in their precise execution. This represents a true milestone in American engineering, an iconic achievement of design and durability. Operating in extreme winter conditions, the TD-T55 proves its legacy.
Куда будем смотреть телевизор? А? Сейчас идем.
The restored T-130 Dozer roars back to life post-repair. While the engine hesitates slightly on startup, it soon finds its rhythm. Zor's built to take on the world, but not built to fix stupid. Before new pines can grow, the old stuff has to go. This chopper roller crushes through wilding pines like a beast and readies the earth beneath. Heavy, loud, and brutally effective. Let us know in the comments, type 1 if you thought our video was interesting, and 0 if you thought it was boring. Tackling a 70% incline demands precision and control. The SHA Trax HR32 advances steadily, inch by inch, as the operator maintains perfect balance. K1650K showcases exceptional blade control and machine balance. Its precise movements and sheer force make it a standout in heavy grading, performance that borders on mechanical artistry.
Так каждую маленькую, большую посуду.
You can tell winter's around the corner when someone fires up the snow cannon before a single flake falls. Sure, it's a bit much, but deep down, you kind of wish it was you. For them, clearing snow isn't just work, it's love.